Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. In today's video I just wanted to go over one of the websites that I use on a daily basis in order to make a little extra money. This one actually pays out pretty well. This is one that I can honestly make about $100 a week doing. Sometimes more, sometimes a little less, but I usually average between $50 and $100 per week using this website. So let me just jump right in real quick and tell you all about it. It's called UserTesting, and what it is it's a website where you can basically you test out different websites or apps, and you give your opinion about the design of it, whatever they're asking you to do, and you get paid to do so. So let's say a company or a brand wants to test out their website experience. So it's a user experience testing that you're going to be doing, and they want to see how easy it is to navigate through the website. So they're going to ask you to do a couple of things, and you're going to explain as you're doing it. You're going to be recorded, and you are supposed to speak out loud as you're going through. So for instance, if I was testing this one and they wanted me to find where I can get paid to test. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about it right here. I'm going to say, okay, up here in the taskbar, I see that there's a Get Paid to Test button, so I'm going to click on that. They might ask me about the design of it, what I feel, what I think about it. Do I like the imagery here? Stuff like that. I mean, that's the basic idea behind this. And when you do this, you get paid for each one that you do. Typically, it's $10. There will be some, as you see here, it says earn up to $60 per test. There are a few that are paid higher, but majority of them are $10, and I'll show you that in a second. So here it shows you what you're actually going to be doing. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, and while doing so, you're going to speak your thoughts out loud. That's going to give them insight into what you're seeing and what you're thinking as you're navigating through their website. Okay, and then get paid. Simple as that. They pay through PayPal. Like I said, $10. It says for every 20-minute video you complete. I'll be honest with you, they don't often take that long. Sometimes the average that I've had is about 10 to 15 minutes. I have had a few that are a little bit longer. The longest one I've ever done was I believe it took me just a little over 30 minutes to complete. But getting paid $10 every time for doing that, not bad. If you can do several a day, you're getting, $20 to $30 a day. By the end of the week, you've got quite a bit of money. So, yeah, it doesn't take a whole lot to do. You will have to take a test, request a trial, before they will approve you to do this. But I didn't have any problems doing it, and they approved me pretty quickly. So you're going to need a PC or a Mac, obviously an internet connection, and also a microphone. That's pretty important because you're going to be speaking and you're going to be being recorded as you're navigating through these websites. So you're going to need to have a microphone. If your computer has one, that's usually good enough. Okay, but if you can pick up one of these microphones, like the one I'm using right now, it was I think $7 maybe at Walmart. It's pretty simple. You can just get one that plugs right into your computer. And okay, they're going to have a testing software that you're going to have to download. You need to be 18 years old, and you need to be able to speak your thoughts aloud in English usually. So, like I said, you get paid via PayPal, and honestly, I've never had a problem getting paid. You actually get paid automatically, so you don't have to go in and request a payout. So let's say on Monday you do one of these tests and you get paid. You get $10. Well, 7 days exactly after that, to the minute. It's kind of funny. You will get paid. You'll see in your PayPal they'll send you $10. So it's a 7-day payout. It says right here. And I've never had an issue with it. And like I said, it's actually to the minute. And I'll show you what I mean here in a second. So these are all the countries that they're accepting testers from. you can go ahead and request a trial and get started. So let me show you, this is I'm logged in here, and kind of show you what I'm not going to show you what you're going to be doing, but so this is what you usually end up seeing when you log in. These are the available tests, and as you can see, there's also an app. You can, get the app here, which I have installed on my phone. So a lot of these I'm doing on my phone. If you have an iPhone or Android, you can do them. And so that's what all these are. Here's one of the ones that will pay out $60, but as you can see, it's a lot longer. It's approximately 60 minutes long, and you're going to be speaking live with the customer about the website. Most of them are not live. I've actually never done one of these live ones, to be honest. So just go through here. And what you're going to do is when you find one, you're going to hit Take Screener, and it's going to ask you a couple of questions. And this is going to be because they want a specific person, whatever. So, which best represents your current employment? Full-time or part-time for an agency, in-house team, for an agency reseller, freelancer contract. Hit Continue. Which hosting company do you currently use? Oh, actually it's another, so click both of those. Okay, so as you can see, it says, unfortunately, you did not qualify for this test. Okay, that happens. Don't worry about it. You just keep going through and finding one because they want to have an exact match of the people that they need. So I usually can find about 2, sometimes 3 a day. That's why I come here every day. And if you were the correct match for it, it would say you can accept this test, and you accept, and they'll tell you what to do after that. Okay, over here is completed test, and I'm going to show you this is what I've been doing. So as you can see, here's the test information. This is the date and time that I completed the test. And right now it's pending because I still have to wait 7 days. Let's see. This one should be paid out on Monday. And see, I've got 3 of them that day, February 3rd. I got 3 of them come, so it's going to be $30 I'm going to be getting on Monday. And this is what I'm talking about as far as the time. See how it's 7:58? So on Monday, which would be February 10th, I believe. And this video may be coming out after that, but on Monday I should be getting at 7:58 Pacific time, I'll be getting $10 in my PayPal. It's really kind of funny because I would go in and check sometimes before I realized it was on the minute, and I was like, well, it's not in there yet. I thought it was supposed to be 7 days. And then sure enough, it came in right at the time frame. I was like, oh, that's funny. So this one will come in, and then this one, look, 8:10. So that one will come in about 10 minutes or so later. And this one was about, looks like I did that one about 15, 20 minutes later. So they'll all come in separately. It's kind of funny, but that's cool, I guess. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm going to go down and you can see it paid $10, $10, $10, $10. And it just keeps going. And so as you can see, you can make a lot of money doing this. And it's not that difficult. I'll show you, here's the details of one of them. So in this scenario, they'll give you a scenario, and I'll read this one for you. It says, you will be giving feedback on 2 different versions of a financial institution's website experience. Specifically, 2 different versions of the before and after login experience. So what you see before logging into your online banking and what you see after you log into your online banking. Okay, so this is a prototype. You're not actually logging into anything. It's not, when they say this, your online banking, it's a prototype. They're just showing you, like, we want to show you what you're going to see, what the website's going to look like before you log in, and then once you log in, you're going to see how it's designed and how it's set up. And then all you have to do is do these tasks. And so it asks you questions, in your own words, describe the 2 different versions. Do you like, version A better? Explain why you liked it, and blah, blah, blah. Not that hard, and there you go. Got paid $10 to do that. Okay, so that's basically an overview of user testing. This is one of the kind of jobs that I like to do. First of all, it pays very well, and you do have to qualify to do this. Okay, so take your test seriously. It's not difficult, but make sure you are taking it seriously because you don't want to get rejected. And I think you can take it again. I don't know. I got approved the first time. So anyway, that's user testing. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That really does help out the channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, consider doing so if you want to. And I will see you guys in the next video.